आर के वैक्सीन कंपनीज के साथ भी कोलैबोरेट कर रहे हैं, जिसमें या वो लीड कर रहे हैं या हम लीड कर रहे हैं. सो तीन ब्रॉड तरह के वैक्सीन एफर्ट्स हैं. एक जहां हम खुद यहां ट्राई कर रहे हैं, दूसरा कोलैबोरेट कर रहे हैं जहां हम लीड कर रहे हैं उन बाहर के लोगों के साथ, और तीसरे बाहर के लोग जहां लीड हैं उनके साथ कोलैबोरेट कर रहे हैं. और जहां भी वैक्सीन बनती है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के लिए पार्टनरशिप करने के लिए वो भी उम्मीद करेंगे. तो ये हुई वैक्सीन डेवलपमेंट के बाद. एक और चीज मैं बताना चाहता हूं कि व्हेन अ वैक्सीन इज मेड, it is not like a switch which will be available to everyone on day one. This disease is such unusual compared to other vaccine preventable diseases where people from the youngest to the oldest will need a vaccine, and people in every kind of country in the world will need a vaccine. This is not a rich country's disease or a poor country's disease, it's everyone's disease. So the logistics of making the vaccine accessible to everyone is a big challenge, and that is also being discussed now. Who are the first people who should get it in the front lines? Who are the most vulnerable? How does one form protective rings by giving it to specific kinds of people at specific times? That is one thing. Second thing, people often ask, when will the first vaccine come? As if when the first vaccine comes, all other vaccines are meaningless. Remember that the first vaccine is the first vaccine to be ready. It will be a vaccine, it will be for 1 dose or 2 doses or 3 doses. Then there will be another vaccine which will be better in some context. There will be a third vaccine which will be better in some other context. This is such a huge pandemic that there is no meaning to say coming first or coming second. There is enough room for all players who are developing vaccines. So there is room for people who are going reasonably fast, there's room for those who are going slow and steady, and those who are coming a little later will learn from others and deliver. So this is very, very important to keep in mind. Now let us go to the next topic, which is about drugs. Just as vaccines can prevent the disease because our immune system attacks it as the virus enters us, drugs have a different kind of positive effect. It has a positive effect similarly, but a different kind. It attacks the virus chemically after it is entered.